one of these blonde jalapenos because I'm going to use it along with an habanero to make a refreshing greens and jicama salad with a creamy honey citrus vinaigrette. So I have my comal here that I've been preheating over medium heat. As these chiles toast, roast, char in Mexico, we just call it asar. I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients to my blender. And I'm gonna add a quarter cup of olive oil right here in my blender, 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. And then I'm gonna squeeze here the juice of a lemon and the juice of a lime. Flipping my chiles as they toast. Adding a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon pepper. I'm gonna add a ripe avocado to the dressing. So beautiful. Scoop it into the blender. This is gonna make the dressing be buttery and creamy and silky. Okay, now I'm gonna add the chiles. I'm gonna remove the stem of the habanero. Habaneros, I can already smell how spicy it is, so I'm just gonna add a piece and taste. Yum. And ready, set. Okay, let's see. Doesn't smell that spicy. Oh, super creamy dressing, see? You can see how fluffy it is. It's almost like an avocado citrus habanero smoothie or mousse. Okay, let's throw fresh, crunchy, juicy things in here. Baby romaine, yum. No need to do anything to it. I have a bib that's super nice and tender. Jicama, so incredibly delicious. Sticks in here. And then I have orange and grapefruit segments. And now, all of these dressing in here. All. Oh, I love it. This dressing is so thick. This is just refreshing, super crunchy, juicy, citrusy. Let's make a plate. Jicama and the orange and the grapefruit. And I love eating salad with my fingers, but I'll eat it with a fork. Truly the most luxuriously decadent tasting salad, I think, that has come out of my kitchen. So you need to give this one a try too. Oh, and that roasted chile, yum.